Nice. I hope this. Good evening. I'm back in Qianmen Street as promised. Let's take a look around. It looks a lot better with all the lights on compared to yesterday. For all the chocolate fans out there. I got me some of these, we'll try them later. So every British person, and I'm sure quite a few others, will know this store. So Makabayans will know this. This is glutinous rice cake. Let's try one.
Okay.
2.2. This, yeah? Yes. So just got to pay with Alipay. I asked him which one's his bestseller and he said the brown one. So we'll try it. Sorry. It's a bit pricey though, 27.3. This is me trying to pay with Alipay. Just my luck. Okay, shishi, thank you. Thank you, bye. So this is the glutinous rice cake the guy recommended. Let's give it a shot. Mamshi, I hope this reminds me of your cake. Oh, it's definitely quite, it's got a really thick texture to it, and an aftertaste is quite sweet, and it's quite chewy. I don't know how to quite describe it, but it's got like a sweet taste with it. I'm not sure what this powdered stuff is as well. I wouldn't say it's bad, I'd say it's nice, but it's just different compared to my cream cakes. Oh, check the train out. Do you want some? It's quite heavy. It feels quite heavy. It's like you can't eat a lot of it in one go. Not bad though. Sure, I saw this grandmother on Wong Fa John Street. She's working day and night. Let's head down this little corner street and see where it leads. Just when I thought I'd seen it all, I've seen some Pakistani dishes. Samosas, or kebabs and pani puri. Guys, I've just met a fellow Pashtun. Assalamu alaikum, Sangi, She. Yeah. So yeah, make sure you visit his stall. How random is that? I didn't think I'd bump into another Pathan here in Beijing. I wasn't sure if those ducks are real or not, but they look real. Look at all these food stalls. Okay, that looks a bit freaky. She keeps closing her eye. Okay, I got one of these beef rolls from this guy. Let's give it a try. Nice, spicy and tender. I can taste the cumin in there as well. But yeah, it's really nice apart from the disaster. I'll enjoy this one, guys. I found the healthy side of Qianmen. Let me show you. Don't forget your fruit and vegetables. I've seen some magic noodles. I've just seen a unique Starbucks as well. Behind me is a famous landmark here in Qianmen Street. It's really nice and bright. You can take some nice photos there. Right guys, let's try one of these now. Got an audience behind me. This one looks destroyed, so let's try this one. Okay, moment of truth. These are like Viennese rolls. Very nice. They got jam in the middle as well. I didn't expect that. Very nice. I love these. Unfortunately, it's falling apart, but yeah, definitely recommend. Now let me enjoy. Bye. Stinky tofu makes a comeback. I didn't realize how big this place was. There's so many like little side streets. So I just ordered myself some noodles. She's like boiling the noodles, which is quite nice. Noodles are nice, fresh. So these are all fresh, guys, homemade. Nice, nice. Very nice, very nice. Thank you very much. Look at that, look at those thick noodles. I mix some chili into there as well. Right, moment of truth, let's try these noodles. Those are really nice and soft. One of the nicest noodles I've tried. I've tried so many different noodles here, which is really weird, but I'm gonna miss this. Anyway, I'm gonna tuck in, guys. So see you in a bit, bye. That was nice, but I feel like I'm sweating and I've had a workout. Let's do a bit more walking. It's like 9:35 and things are closing down a little bit here. I'm all right, thank you. No, look at this. Thought I'd seen enough food for tonight. It's never ending. Interesting for a store name. So I guess that explains the name of the shop. Lots of Russian stuff. Looks like Grandma isn't working on her own. Right guys, I'm gonna have to end my video there. I'm in a bit of a serious discussion at the minute. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. I'll continue my conversation now.